Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Ford Territoty TX, stock preference number 4377. This shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through to the 4th month 2011. It has a Barra 4 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. Barra 190 6-cylinder 4 litre petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left hand side as well as light hail. Bonnet has light hail, seat good private. Radiator grille, right hand headlight. It's got a tidy front bumper cover. Left hand headlight. Left guard has small hail dents. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch steelies. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have only one small dent on top edge. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, lumen module. Right hand tail light does have a tiny little crack but still may be usable. Right rear 17-inch factory steel 17-inch rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have a couple small dents and light wobbles. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. The right hand seat has a tiny little rip. Grey centre console, vinyl lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and rear headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.